What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I got a delivery. There we go. Sorry, my mind's been out to lunch. I took the last week and a half off. Today is at the time of this filming, it's November 7th. My grandma passed away last weekend, like the 31st, and all last week we were dealing with that. And then I went to get back in the shop, and buddy shot a deer, so I had to hang it. But now we're back in the shop. So now the videos won't be spaced, like you won't see stuff like today's the 7th, but on Sunday or whatever, you'll see this video like later on this week. You know what I mean? Like, so we're getting closer to having do stuff, film it, upload it. Which, whatever. But here we go. Yeah, don't mind the blood on the floor, folks. Got the motor all ready. Just had it sitting over here. Hang on a sec. There we go. I had it sitting over here, but just because the deer was hanging and stuff, don't mind the mess. Yeah. So I'll show you guys what came. Sorry, like I said, my mind is all over the place. The dirty dingoes. So, hopefully, because here's the waybill. There, I'll just do there's the shipping address if you guys ever wanted to ship anything to us. Our P.O. box. So, here's what it cost, American. Which was just under $200 Canadian. Now, we've got a bag of hardware that came with it. We got lefts and rights. We got the passenger side here, which looks like she just bolts on her, like so. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on and see what happens, and we'll go from there. So with that, we'll be back in like a minute. Well, not a minute for me, but like a split nanosecond for you. All right, we're back. Got the new mounts on. Let's flip around here, and hang on, I'm trying to get the. There we go. Still getting used to the camera. So, as you can see, we got them on there. They're looking fan-fucking-tastic. And the cool thing is, like, I was worried about the sliding aspect of it. Aside from the dipstick, which, if I have to bring it away, I bet I can, right? They slide all the way to give me all the room I'm gonna need to mount the mounts. Now, the other side, let's try to keep this blood out of the shots. It's because YouTube can't tell the difference between human blood and animal blood, so, and I'm just some creepy guy with a mustache in a shed. With long hair and gun. Well, not so many guns because we're Canadian, but access to hunting rifles that are wherever. So, but yeah, these ones as well, they slide. So far, they're really nice. Like, they're real nice mounts. I'm not gonna lie. When I go to put them in the truck, of course, I'm gonna leave them loose like this. Then I'm gonna tighten them up. But I noticed something really darn cool. That's with this guy here. All right. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I don't think I'll be able to. But if I can, and you ladies are interested, hit me up. No, just kidding. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not, because it's going to be a pain. So let me kind of set you like that. Get this through Ah, sorry guys. There we go. Let's see if I can get this through here and like, come on. There we go. Get this on here like so, like so. I don't know how much of this you guys are actually seeing. Alright. Now, okay. The mounts. Why won't you move now? Oh, I know why. It's gotta be. It's fucking itself. Come on. It jammed itself in there. Well, it's not supposed to be like that. I screwed something up. See how it jammed itself in there? Now it can't move. That's my bad. So, let me turn the camera off and I'll try this again. Alright, we're gonna do this again. As you can see, I put it on right. I chipped the shit out of that edge. I don't care. It is what it is, right? It's a motor. But if you look, after you're done, you know, getting it lined up, sliding it around where you need it, right? So I'm starting to chip this up more and more too. That's okay. Fuck it. It's going in the truck anyways right away. This is just for fun. You can't see, maybe you can see through there. Let me see if I can zoom her. Down, come on, the focus. I want down here. Come on. Focus, right there. You're not gonna focus, are you? Focus on my finger, damn it. Alright, fuck that. I'm not playing with that shit. Anyways, down in there. There we go. You can reach it. You can actually reach, you know, to tighten it up. So, which I think is flipping awesome. Which makes it so that when you do slide it around, right, you can actually grip it on there. So that's where I'm gonna end today's video, folks. Just a quick little get them on. Like I said, it's the last month and a half. Well, not even month, week and a half. I've been just shit. But what else is new, right? Fuck. You know, I just can't wait to have my own shop. And not have to worry about certain things anymore. Then I can just keep rolling and just keep working away. So there's a lot of stuff I want to get done here. Like with my grandma passing, I'm able to afford now to purchase HV tuners, which I think is going to be cool. I'll be able to tune this motor, right? Yeah, let me flip that around. Yeah, we'll be able to tune this motor once it's in the truck. Do transmission tune, all that kind of crap. One of my buddies was talking to me about going with a Holley, like a Holley Terminator kit, and just putting like the screen in my dash here. But I want all my gauge, like I want to keep it as factory as I can, you know what I mean? So, but who knows? You guys comment down below, what do you think? You guys like the HP tuners setup? Or should we just go Holley Terminator? Standalone ECU and computer. Standalone, like all that kind of screenage and stuff. So, I don't know. Like I said, I wanted to keep this as stock as I can. Well, you know what I mean. Looking as factory as possible. But if that's the route that would be more feasible, hey, I'm all for it as well. All I know is that I want this motor in there and running as soon as humanly possible. And hopefully this week, well, like I said, today's November 7th. You guys will probably see this like the 12th maybe. Or even Wednesday. Sometime this week you'll see this video. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's going to be filming, editing, uploading. So you guys are going to start to be now right with me on the journey instead of being, a couple weeks behind, which I apologize for that. I was just trying to get the ball rolling and some content for you guys. And now that that's all out of the hump, we can start rolling more with some more stuff. So like I got my 78 Bonanza that's coming up next. I was going to do my 83. The motor from this was going to go in my 83. Still might. But after this truck is done, I got to figure out a way to get my 83 Bonanza to my house. Hopefully next summer that'll be what I do. We'll see if we can get it towed to my house next summer. Like springtime early, so that I have all the summer days. We can film and fucking work on it and get it running. Because it's an important truck to me. And then we'll go from there with that. Because I also bought an engine hoist. Not this one, I have a different one. I bought another one, a different one. So, yeah. Things are, in that aspect, are progressing. So, but yeah, that's where I'm going to end it today, folks. Just hopefully the other parts show up, and then we can get this motor in, get this all back together, and we can start getting some more content out. Sorry, folks, I had my camera up and just die. My phone just decided, no, it wasn't filming no more. So, yeah, I got, like I said, 83 Bonanza coming up on the channel. I don't know, we're going to be doing that next summer. So, I can't remember I can't remember where the camera shut off, really. But yeah, there's some cool stuff coming. Thank you guys so much, as always, for, following me along with the journey. Like I said, if you guys like what you see so far, tell your friends, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. A lot of you viewers haven't, like, the algorithms don't, like, there's a lot of viewers, like repeat viewers, who haven't subscribed yet. So what are you waiting for? It helps me out and to bring cooler shit to you guys. So, you know what I mean? Like, that's not why I'm doing it. But hey, fuck. When in Rome, right? When in Rome. But no, like I said, you guys may have heard, may not. I don't remember, like I said, where the video shut off. But in the springtime, I'm going to be having my 78 Bonanza brought in, and we're going to spend as much advantage as we can of the warm weather to get it up and running and ready to go, so that I can drive that thing in the winter and not have to rely on this in the winter much. Because this thing's really, like I said, it's not rusty. I don't want it to die. Like, I don't want it to be all rusted to shit anymore. It's time it had a good life and we have fun with it. So keep it looking nice, make it go fast, all that fun shit. The 78 Bonanza is actually really good shape. Oh, it's not in good shape. It's as rare as hell. And needs a lot of work. But whatever, we'll get her going. So, we'll get her going. So, but until next time, guys, like I said, thank you so much for tuning in. Love ya. Catch you later. God bless.